Okay, so welcome members. Now we are going to see the most important formula in statistics that we are going to use for most of the lessons we are going to cover in statistics. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, to start with the mean. The mean is given by summation f of x over summation f. Then mod is the lower class boundary plus dA. dA means difference between the frequency of the median class and the frequency above it. Then dB is the frequency of the median class minus the frequency below it. Then I is the class interval boundary or width. Then LCB is the lower class boundary of the median class. Then median, some people call it the middle quartile, the lower class boundary plus summation f over 2 minus cumulative frequency before frequency within times I. So that's how we calculate it. Then this one is the cumulative frequency, or is before the cumulative frequency of the median class. So when we have now what we call the lower or the first quartile. The first quartile, now you multiply summation f with a quarter. The formula remains the same. What changes is just this, the coefficient of summation f. Yeah, so now the summation, the third quartile, that's why we have 3 over 4. This one is the second quartile because all the middle quartile, because it's 2 over 4, just that it was reduced to a half. Then interquartile range is 2, 3 minus 2, 1. Then same interquartile, 2, 3 minus 2, 1 over 2, 2, 3 is here, 2, 1 is here. Then the nth decile, it means that we are going to multiply by that decile, divide by 10, then times the summation f. The formula remains the same. What changes? Then the nth percentile, n over 100 times now this the same. Then class interval I of MD. Here now we actually don't have the small braces. We get I equaling to B minus A plus 1. Class limit or boundary of the class, we subtract off adjustment factor from A and add AF to B. We add the adjustment scale factor to B. We are going to see how we get the adjustment scale factor. Then assume the mean or working mean. Our mean or is given by A, the assumed mean, then plus summation FD over summation F. How do we get D? This or is the midpoint of the classes minus the assumed mean given. Then summation when we multiply this D times F. Then F is the frequency and A should be the mean. I wish you well. Now the next lesson we are going to see how to use this formula to answer the questions.